Rally, rally on the... Oh, a dream, a dream. Indeed, the West Indies are engaged in battle against #1 ranked India in India, and we suspect the Windies will be like lambs to the slaughter in this 2-test series. Of course, Windies coach Stuart Law resigned already, so the expected beating will be neither here nor there to him. But Law's resignation brings back into focus the importance or lack thereof of a coach at this level of cricket. I don't think a coach is as important in cricket as a coach is in other sports. Windies, for example, had Otis Gibson, Phil Simmons, and Stuart Law in quick succession, and none of them made any significant difference to the performance of the team. At the other end of the spectrum, India, England, Australia have all had multiple coaches in the recent past, and none of those coaches impacted the quality of the performances or the rankings of these teams in any significant way. Again, cricket is a uniquely individualistic sport, where at the international level, players are expected to master the basic technical and tactical skills of the game. So the coach is basically a passenger to the process. And as it relates to the game day execution, it's the captain of the team who makes all the tactical decisions. Remember now that during the glory days of West Indies cricket, when we were kings of the world, West Indies never had a coach. So basically, the coach's role in international cricket is highly overvalued and overrated. And those are facts I just stated.